1.
Hashgen. Paste trait example.
Find that in the description.
Update it. Store name and FMV32. Create trait display name. Description. Icon. And string name. For the string, replace both front numbers with 0.
2.
Create empty package. Extract trait romantic. Trait tuning. Data. From your keeper, paste new trait name. Copy FMV32. Duplicate. In instance, paste. Sim data. Paste new trait name. Copy FMV32. Duplicate. In instance, paste. Delete the extras. Trait tuning. Data. Copy tuning ID. In XML, under S, paste tuning ID. Keep or remove buff replacements. Cast trait ASM. Conflicting traits. Gender neutral. And whim set. Save. Icon. Copy number. Game file cruiser. In instance, paste. All. Filter. Add to package. DST export. Update. Import. Data. From keeper, copy icon. In instance, paste. Trait tuning. From Pixified keeper, copy over display name, description, and icon. Select a trait group too. Sim data. Copy over name, description, and icon. The tags are the trait group. ASM param equals none, unless you're adding your own. Conflicting traits, empty. Add. String tuning. Copy group number and paste. Copy string tuning number. In instance, paste. String. Edit items. Add. Display name and description. Done! Delightful, now we can see it. Let's move on to the second half.
3.
Back to our trait, Hashgen. Paste example name of buff tuning number 1. Update it. Store it. Copy second buff naming example. Update it. Store it. Make a description, display, and icon. Paste the action loot example. Update it. Store it. Make a buff reason and notification too. Trait tuning. Buff copy. Extract 2 buff and 1 auto loot. Push the button to reorganize. Let's do it twice. Buff tuning 1. Remove innards. From keeper, copy the paste me line under buff tuning number 1. In XML, paste. Data. Paste your buff tuning name. Copy name. Copy instance. In sim data, paste name. Paste instance. For fun experiments and tweaks, save your package and upload into lot 51.
Find that in the description. 4.
Buff tuning number 2. Data. Copy buff tuning 2 tuning name. Paste your tuning name. Empty XML. From keeper, paste buff tuning number 2. Update buff description, buff name, and copy icon number. Game file cruiser. In instance, paste. All, filter, add to current package. DST export, update, re-import. Data, update instance. Buff tuning 2, update icon tuning. Data, copy name, copy instance. Sim data, paste name, paste instance. XML, update description, update name, update icon. Action tuning. Data, update tuning name. In XML, empty it. From Pixified Keeper, under Action Loot, copy and paste. Update buff reason and notification. Local tunings. In buff type, paste buff tuning 2. Browse game content. Object. Pick a thing. Warehouse. Object definition. Instance decimal copy. Back in action tuning. Definition. Paste. In buff tuning 1, paste your action loot. Trait tuning. In buff type, paste buff tuning number 1. String. Edit items. Add your notification text. Buff tuning reason. Buff display name. And buff description. Done! Don't forget that trial and error is half the fun. Take time to experiment. Right, on to the next one.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.